China. Today, I would like to show you something special, Super Snaps. It's also called Fiesta Adult Snaps, Mandarin Red Cracker Snaps, Zap Snap, Chinatown Red Snap Cracker, and Thunder Snaps. We are the one and the only factory in the world that can produce it legally. Now, we are going to compare three products: Pulp Snaps, Big Snaps, and our Super Snaps. Let's test this Pulp Snap first. It's very normal for kids to play. We throw it against the ground. We can hear the sound is crisp bomb. Next is the bigger one, Big Snaps. Looks powerful. Let's try it. Louder than the normal Pop Snaps. Now, let's test our Super Snaps. We can see they look totally different, just like red crackers, but without fuse. All we need to do is to throw them against a hard ground surface, just like the other two snaps. Let's try one first. Whoa, it's much louder. I think it is what you are looking for. How do you think? Isn't it super cool? If you like it, please. Now let's test how louder it is. We can see the sound is almost 120 decibels.